I am Lao Lin. This time, let's talk about a topic. Which groups of people is this product more suitable for? If it is any product, it cannot be omnipotent. This toothbrush has a very direct function, cleaning teeth, to remove tartar, smoked teeth. This tartar stain formed by food residue can be said to be immediate. Some groups of people may not be suitable. For example, if you have a bad mouth recently, especially dental diseases, the second pregnant woman, lactating women, the old, the newborn, it is best not to use those that have just grown teeth. What are the most effective populations? The first one is definitely a smoker. I like to drink tea. I like to chew coffee. Then there is the obvious tartar that seems to be there. This group of people is also okay. Now there's a whole new demographic, which is children. Because all children are less prone to brushing or noticeable tartar. However, the use of children must be done by adults to help them clean their teeth. Don't use too much force during use, because the formation time of children's tartar is relatively short. It is relatively easy to remove. Of course, this material will definitely not harm the tooth plates, but after all, good children are there and the teeth are in their formative years. So we must pay attention. Okay, let's stop here for today's topic.